Students, in this video I explain remaining important problems of limits chapter. To solve this problem, we use standard result limit n tends to infinity 1 plus x by n whole to the power n is equals to e to the power x. Now the given function, limit function can be written as limit n tends to infinity 1 plus 2 by n whole to the power n whole square is. See, now compare given problem with a standard result. Here we have the place of x is 2. This result can be written as e to the power 2. Here we have square whole square. This result can be written as e to the power 2 whole square can be written as e to the power 2 into e to the power 2 is e to the power 2 plus 2 is equals to e to the power 4. Therefore, this value is e to the power 4 is the required solution. Therefore, option C is correct. See, to solve this problem, limit n approaches to infinity 1 square plus 2 square plus so on plus n square divided by, here we have cubic equation. We know that standard result 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus so on plus n square is equals to n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 whole divided by 6. Now this standard result value substituted in numerator. The given result becomes limit n tends to infinity n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 divided by 6. See, now maintain denominator as it is 2n cube plus 3n square plus 4n plus 1. So now observe, product of this numerator term is, we get highest degree is n into n is n square into 2n cube is highest degree. See, and coefficient of this result is 2. Highest power of n is 3 and denominator highest power of n is 3. Here coefficient of that result is 6 into 2 is 12n cube. See, now observe this result. Here we have same power. Degree of numerator and degree of denominators are same. Now I explain important time saving results. See, now here degree of numerator is equals to degree of denominator. Degree of numerator is equals to degree of denominator equal. Here we consider numerator is equals to denominator degrees, both results are equal. We consider coefficients of highest ratio of this result. We consider coefficient of n cube is, here we have 2 divided by coefficient of n cube is 12. 2 divided by 12 is equals to, to simplify the result, here we get 1 by 6. So in this result, here we have degrees are same. Suppose degrees are less than, see, degree of numerator is less than degree of denominator. Another one is degree of numerator is greater than degree of denominator. See, I explain this result general expression. See, now observe here. Let f of x and g of x be polynomials in x. Then limit x tends to infinity f of x divided by g of x. This results in polynomials in x notation, but this result given results in n notation. Now this, see, ratio of the coefficients of highest powers of x. When we consider this result, if degree of f of x is equals to degree of g of x, means degree of c same, power same, result n to the power degrees are same, we consider coefficient of this result. Ratio of them 2 divided by, here we get 12 is 1 by 6 in this example. But suppose degree of f of x is less than degree of g of x. Suppose we get this result, we consider directly the value is 0. Next, if degree of f of x is greater than degree of g of x, that function, we consider directly infinity. Okay, but in given result here we have degree of numerator is equals to degree of denominator. That's why here we consider coefficient of n cube is 2. N cube is here, denominator is 12. 2 divided by 12 is 1 by 6. See, required solution. Here option B is correct. See, to solve this problem, limit x approaches to minus 1, x to the power 9 plus 1 divided by x to the power 14 minus 1. See, now substitute minus 1 in the place of x. We get minus 1 to the power 9 plus 1 divided by minus 1 to the power 14 minus 1 is equals to minus 1 to the power is odd, we get negative sign, plus 1 divided by power, see, minus 1 to the power 14 even result power, we get plus 1 minus 1. See, now simplify the result. Minus 1 plus 1 get cancelled, we get 0. Denominator plus 1 minus 1 is cancelled, get 0. See, 0 by 0 form. This is an indeterminate form. See, here we apply L'Hospital rule. See, L'Hospital rule states that derivative of numerator means d by dx of x to the power 9 plus 1 divided by derivative of denominator x to the power 14 minus 1 is equals to limit x tends to minus 1. Derivative of numerator, derivative of x to the power 9 is 9 into x to the power 9 minus 1 is 8. Constant term plus 1 is 0. Divided by derivative of x to the power 14 can be written as 14 x to the power 13. Derivative of constant term minus 1 is 0. See, now here substitute minus 1 in the place of x. Here we get 9 into minus 1 to the power 8 divided by 14 into minus 1 to the power 13 is equals to, here power is given, minus 1 to the power 8. Here we get plus 1 divided by 14 into minus 1 to the power 13. Power is odd, we get negative sign is equals to 9 divided by minus 14 is the required solution. Now here option C is correct. So to solve this limit function, since x approaches to 0, 2 to the power x minus 1 divided by root of 1 plus x minus 1. See, substitute 0 in the place of x, we get 2 to the power 0 minus 1 divided by root of 1 plus 0 minus 1 is equals to 2 to the power 0 is 1, 1 minus 1 divided by root of 1 plus 0 is root of 1, 1 minus 1. See here 1 minus 1 get cancelled, we get 0 divided by plus 1 minus 1 get cancelled, here also we get 0, 0 by 0 form. See, given result in the form of 0 by 0, this is indeterminate form. Here we apply L'Hospital rule. See, L'Hospital rule states that limit x approaches to 0, derivative of numerator means d by dx of 2 to the power x minus 1. Derivative of 2 to the power x is 2 to the power x log 2, constant term is 0. Divided by base is understood. Denominator, derivative of root of 1 plus x is 1 by 2 root of 1 plus x into derivative of 1 plus x is 1. 1 is 0, constant term, derivative of x is 1, 1 into 1 is 1, minus constant term is 0. See, now here this result can also be written as limit x tends to 0, 2 to the power x log 2 base e into 2 root of 1 plus x. See, denominator of denominator can be written as in numerator place. Now here substitute 0 in the place of x. This result becomes, say, 2 to the power 0 log 2 into 2 root of 1 plus 0. Now simplify the result is equals to 2 to the power 0 is 1 into log 2 base into 2 root of 1 plus 0 is 1, root of 1 is 1. Say is equals to 1 into log 2 into 2 into 1 2 log 2 base is understood. This is the required solution for this result. Here we have option D is correct option. So here we have the result. Limit n approaches to infinity, 3 to the power n plus 4 to the power n whole to the power 1 by n. N tends to infinity, 3 to the power n plus 4 to the power n whole to the power 1 by n. So now in this result, since n approaches to infinity, we substitute infinity in the place of n. This result becomes 3 to the power infinity plus 4 to the power infinity whole to the power 1 by infinity. Say this results are in undefined form. That's why this results can be written as the limit n tends to infinity. See, in first term here we have 3 to the power n, second term is 4 to the power n. In first term here we multiplied and divide by 4 to the power n. 4 to the power n, 3 to the power n divided by 4 to the power n plus 4 to the power n whole to the power 1 by n. So this result is equals to the limit n tends to infinity. Now here take 4 to the power n is common. 4 to the power n of, see, 3 to the power n, 4 to the power n, power is same. Now this result can be as 3 by 4 whole to the power n plus 1 close bracket whole to the power 1 by n. Now here we have two terms, a into b form. See, here we consider this result is a, this result is b, whole to the power 1 by n. See, a b to the power 1 by n can be written as a to the power 1 by n into b to the power 1 by n. Now here apply this form, limit n tends to infinity. Here a to the power 1 by n means here a value is 4 to the power n, 4 to the power n whole to the power n into b is here 3 by 4 to the power n plus 1 to the power 1 by n. See, next step here, see, n and power 1 by n gets cancelled, we get 4. Next, here substitute infinity in the place of n, we get 4 into 3 by 4 whole to the power infinity plus 1 whole to the power 1 by infinity. See, this result is equals to 4 times 3 by 4. Already we discussed in a previous example form. See, numerator is less than denominator, means already we discussed a by b to the power infinity. Here a is less than b. Here we consider this value is 0, means 0 plus 1 whole to the power 1 by infinity. See, 1 by infinity is equals to 0. 1 by 0 is equals to infinity. Now here substitute, the result is 0. Now 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 to the power 0. Here 4 into 1 to the power 0 is 1. 1 into 4 is equals to 4. 4 is the required solution for this limit function. Now here option A is correct option. Okay, thank you.